Hi friends, are you in plan for making a online course website and looking for a great WordPress theme for that? If yes, this video is exactly for you. Actually, choosing a perfect WordPress theme is always a challenging task, and WP Themes channel makes this task easier for you. And I am happy to record this video as we are covering almost all the great education WordPress theme on this channel, and in this video I have another great online education learning WordPress theme. This is Zilom. Zilom has been developed by the Gavis, and the Gavis are the original developer of this theme. They are elite author, and Zilom is a complete feature packed and robust WordPress LMS theme to create and sell courses online easily. All the features of this learning management system hits all the checkpoints for a full-fledged online course marketplace. So this is Zilom, and you can also create a wonderful website using this Zilom WordPress themes. Zilom, sorry. So Zilom is the correct name, and this theme is compatible with Elementor and the latest version of WordPress, and we are going to overview the complete features of Zilom WordPress theme in this video. And these are some websites that has been made using the Zilom, and there are many pre-made websites available, so you have many choices. You can choose any of these pre-made websites for your upcoming project. And yes, so the plugins are really in very good collection. So Elementor being the page builder, revolution slider, and all such plugins I have. I'll show you each and everything. So let us quickly install this theme so that we may understand the complete features of this theme and take a wise decision about purchasing this theme. So this is a fresh installation of WordPress with me, which is running 2022 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. And I believe you have already taken our domain name and hosting. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description to get all the things that you need for your website. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have guides, licensing, one plugin, revolution slider has been provided, sample data is also available, okay, and the main theme file and the child theme file is here. So we are going to use this file for our installation purpose. To install the theme, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress, and by default 2022 WordPress theme is here. We are going to add new theme here, upload theme, choose file, and I am looking for Zilom. So we have to upload this Zilom underscore theme file for as a theme pack. So don't try to upload the complete folder. It is a very common mistake being done by the people, and they used to come at me asking a very simple question, CSS is not working, or similar questions. So I must tell you, you have to upload only this installable theme file pack. This is Zilom underscore theme.zip file. So simply open it and click on install. So you can also use the direct upload method, just in case if you are having the direct access on your server, you can upload the theme pack to WP content themes folder. It will also work equally same, and you can use this WordPress interface if your server is really very good. Then you can get a very good server as you are watching on the screen. Just follow the link of WP Themes website given in the description. It is very important to have a very suitable hosting for your upcoming website. Okay, so now we have installed the theme, and we can go to the theme page to check. So this is Zilom available here along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Zilom version 1.1.4 by Gavia's themes team, and this is being the latest version as on date with me. You might be getting an updated version of this theme when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description. Depends on the availability, but yes, the installation process and the features will remain almost same. Let us activate this theme. Okay, so upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for getting the complete features of this theme. Let us see what is here. So 11 plugins are here, and as I said, this theme uses Elementor page builder, and rest of plugins are well known plugins like Contact Form 7 is here, MailChimp is there, Events Calendar, Meta Box, Slider Revolution for hero images, This theme uses Tutor LMS as LMS support. So Tutor LMS is a wonderful learning management system plugin, and Tutor LMS is being well used on the LMS on online courses website. So it has the complete features. So and this is also very good. Zilom Themer is something else to add features, and WooCommerce is also available here. So we are going to install all these 11 plugins. I'm choosing to install all 11 plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. Okay, it may take a bit. We have to wait on this screen. Okay, so wonderful. All 11 plugins got installed without any trouble successfully. This is the beauty of hosting plan that we are providing you. Just don't skip this golden chance. Okay, so now this is time to activate all the plugins, and we can activate all plugins, and this can also be done in a single click. Wonderful. So we have installed and activated all plugins. So coming back to the dashboard, it is welcoming us to the Elementor. Simply cross this. Okay, so we are on the dashboard, and I'll show you what we got in terms of additional tab here once I complete the installation, and theme setting is also here. So everything I'll show you what is additional here. But first of all, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, this is the basic look of website that is using Zilom WordPress theme. This is online education LMS WordPress theme, Zilom, and at this stage we can proceed further for importing the demo content. However, if you are having your own design and wish to create your own design with your own wireframe and just want to have the theme features and the plugin features, you can start developing your website from here. You'll get all the features and functionality of the theme and plugins. But yes, WordPress is known for the pre-made website, and we may target any website like any of these. So of course we need to import the demo content for this, and what I can do, I will find an option where we can import the demo as of now. So I don't hide anything in my videos. This is why everything is going on the screen. And okay, so setting is here. Okay, demo importer is laying under the theme setting itself. Okay, so this is the demo importer, and this is the option. So only one option, main, is here, so we can simply click on the import demo, and this is an alert, and I believe the demo import has been started in the background. And what is going in the background, we can simply check by opening the media library in another tab. Don't disturb this tab, just let the process to be completed, and we can open the media library in another tab. And yes, so we are getting the media items very quickly, very fast here. So we have to wait until the demo import screen gives any message to us, and after 36, now in just refresh time, it is 61, and it is increasing, of course. So it is bringing images 61. After 87, it is very fast actually, and it is going on. So don't hinder the process, don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page, just wait until you get any message on this screen. And I got this wonderful tab. It is saying imported within 2 minutes. In my case, it may be different for you, but yes, it worked very fine. All items, I believe, has been imported, and we can check media library. First of all, 146 media items, and if we check the pages, all pages, okay, 37 published pages are here, and we got all the home pages. And so we can simply choose any of the available home page as our website, and this is time to have another look at our website. and it is pretty cool that we got this complete website, and it is all here. The complete website is here. What we need next, just we need to put our own content, and our online education course website will be live and up. So it is live and up, of course, but we need to replace the demo content, and I will show you some pages how it is working. It is really working very fast. You can see the speed, and if we check the courses page, that is very important. You can see the stunning speed and the look that has been used, and the contents that has been produced, and the arrangement of content is really very good. And filter top, okay, what is this? Okay, so this is very good, and I can show you the another home page as well. The speed is really appreciable, and it is also fine, and it is working like in the lightning speed. It is really very good, and if you are having speed at your website, it is going to be successful in terms of technology. So if you want really a speedy website, you can go for Zilom, and it is complete in all respects. You can explore rest of the pages, and I am now going to show you what we got in this installation very quickly in the crisp manner, so that you may understand. So tutor LMS is here, and you have to maintain and handle all the courses from this LMS section. So LMS section is really very broad, and you can add membership here. Here just you need to enable and set rest of parameters for adding the membership option, because most of the LMS or online courses need to have membership options. So it is well available. You have to handle the course in the course section, and I'll show you the course edit course options as well. So, and we can simply cut this. So this is the course section where all the information like page meta, page title, breadcrumbs, administrator setting course, and all these things. So maximum students, difficulty level, public courses, Q&A, language, certificate, and course builders, and product can be also additional data can be handled. So this is a very broad information page where you have to edit all the content, and just keep in mind you have to remove all these demo courses if you are not editing these courses exactly for your own, and don't keep any demo data at your installation. So similarly, you can set the categories and rest of things like students, instructors, announcement, Q&A, quiz attempts, withdraw request, and all such things for the LMS tutor LMS section. And next we can check the footer builder. Footer builder is another separate tab, and you have to handle the footer here. And next we can go for the header builder section. So a header area for header 1, 2, 3, whatever has been used at your home page, you can edit with Elementor. So it is so simple. Editing with Elementor is so simple. I am sure you will be able to handle. So simply click on the link, and you will be able, like, you can change the logo from the header section, header area. So simply click on the pencil icon, and you can edit the header. And next I'll show you header. I have shown you, and teams is another thing. It is also an additional set. So team members can be handled. Portfolios is also additional tab. Events is complete section here. So this is a very broad theme, and we have every feature that we need for our online course website. So the event is itself a complete features event section. So you can add new events, event categories, venues, organizers, and all such things. Pages and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. And finally, I'll show you the theme options, that is theme panel or theme setting page. So I'm just giving you a very quick review. This is general option, page layout, enable back to tab. Header options are here. You can set the header, logo width, etc. things. Footer things, breadcrumb options, styling, typography is completely in our control. We can set the fonts and rest of things here. Blog options are here. Portfolio options, course options, product options, demo importer we have already used, and import export options. So everything is here in our control, and we can make a complete website without any trouble using the Zilom WordPress theme. And just we made this website in this video, and I believe I have shown you each and everything about this Zilom theme, and it is really a pretty cool WordPress theme for online courses. Of course, it is really very good, and you can go for this without any doubt. So just in case if you are having any question, you may please follow the link given in the description for WP themes to get in touch directly with me, or you can also write in the comment section of this video. I will definitely try to reply your queries and start building your website with Zilom WordPress theme and the hosting through the WP themes website. And the hosting also gives you installation support, so you can avail all these things. So let us meet in our another video. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching.